Please, if you don't mind, please introducing yourself.
Yes, yes. My name is Lakan Pandit. I am from belong to Bihar. My village name is Itari. I have completed my graduation in 2015. Now I am teaching. My record regarding to my hobby, I watch cricket and reading and teaching.
That's very good. Fantastic introduction by yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
So it's my turn.
Yes,
So, yeah. My name is Safraz Ahmad. Basically, I am from Uttar Pradesh district, Varanasi, and currently I live in Kuwait. I am working as a technician in mechanical department, and simultaneously I am improving my communication skills. I mean, spoken English nowadays. And if you are talking about my education, so I completed only 8th class due to some
yes,
reason. I could not
yes.
get education further. This is all about me.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice introduction. But
Yes.
sometimes network issue is, I think, voice is stucking.
My voice
Yes,
is stucking right now.
right. Sometimes, brother. No, no, your
Yeah,
voice
no
is
problem.
clear.
No problem. No problem. We will talk each other regarding
Yes,
some topics, regarding something. Definitely. If you will better something, you keep talk with me. I think you are visual and audible both very clear. So my network always my network is not good. So living in the outside. This is not city.
yeah, yeah.
This is
I am
the
also
Kuwait
living in
village.
village. This is not
Yeah,
city.
I am living in
Uh,
village, but this is not India village. This is the Kuwait. This is a totally
Wait,
agriculture area. Yeah,
yes.
and I am only 8 kilometer far from my camp. I'm talking about Iraq border. On Iraq border, only 8 kilometer far from here.
Yes.
So the climate is very scorching here, and I think temperature near about 49 degrees Celsius, and
49
network
degrees
issue
Celsius.
also. Yes,
Yes,
yeah,
brother.
network also is
Here,
very
here,
bad here.
here, here is also sunny day. Here is the temperature, I think, 35 around.
Okay, okay. So how is
It
your
has been
days
no rain
going so
for
far?
my day
Today
is
Sunday.
going good. That today is Sunday. My day is going good. Before conversation, I am taking rest. After just I is showering and wearing my clothes and sitting. But your call is coming. I accept your call. I
Okay,
watched
okay,
one conversation video with Chandan and
okay,
with one ladies. But your calls are come. I take up your call.
okay, okay. This is my first conversation between you and me. So
Yes, yes,
I highly requested to you please make this conversation each other.
yes.
Okay.
Why not?
So you mentioned that I am teacher. So where do you teach in government school or private school?
No, no, brother. I not teach in government school and private school. I teach only in tuition. I have on institute.
Okay, okay,
I teach
okay, okay.
on in.
So how many students do
Around
you teach them?
around 180 80 student I teach.
Okay. So all students uh, study in English medium or mix English medium
Yes,
and
brother,
Hindi
your
medium?
voice is stucky.
Yeah, brother. I
Hello.
earlier problem network issue is very yes, brother.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, my question is you uh, you are teaching 180 students. So my question is, brother, all students study in Hindi medium or English medium?
Yes. Yes. All students are Hindi medium. Some students comes in small child kids. He is belong to English medium students. One, two, three, four.
Okay.
What? But one student are seven student.
Okay.
Remaining student are
So
belong to
I'm
Hindi
very
medium.
happy to hear this. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. I'm very happy to hear this, getting your information, your knowledge that you are a teacher. So I every teacher I respect because you are getting education, you are giving knowledge, you are teaching them. So you are making the future of India. So I respect to all teachers. I respect all
Thank
person
you.
who
Thank
related
you.
with this education field. And because some reason I did not get education, that's why I know value of the education. Yeah, brother. Yes. So I appreciate it to you a lot. And
Thank you. Thank you.
brother, so nowadays you are trying to learn English.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, you are trying.
Network. Yeah, network issue is. I think.
But your voice
Look,
is clear.
but sometimes your
So
voice is stucking because of network of issue.
okay, 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 okay. No problem.
No.
So brother, this time you
Yeah.
are trying to learn language, English language. So
Yeah.
brother, which kind of tricks and tips you are applying with yourself in order to learn English or enhance
I
your
watch.
communication skills? Yes.
I watch. I watch a conversion video, and I read some books. Sudha Krishnamurthy, and
Okay, okay,
I I practice on by application,
okay, okay.
enhance my communication skill nowadays. Yeah.
Okay, brother, please. I am giving one topic to you.
Yes.
Please describe that topic in your own style.
Yeah.
The topic is topic is village life and city life.
Village life and city life.
Please,
Yes.
please describe about village life.
Yeah.
What is the difference between each other and which one is the best? Whatever you have knowledge, please describe in your own sentence, own language.
Yes. I think regarding to me, village life is good because I live in village. Village everywhere are necessarily things. I think, but regarding to your point of view, what is better?
Whether I think village life is good according to your point of view, but I think villagers village life is not good compare than city life. City style is very high, and in city there are a lot of facilities available,
Yes,
and in the village
but nowadays,
there are
nowadays,
no any
brothers,
kind of facilities right
and nowadays
now. Yes.
village is modernized. Nowadays, lots of the facilities are available in village, but some facilities is not available in village. I think health sectors, education sectors like that, the facility is available not in village area. Or, but nowadays village is better for everything. No, I think village in everything's available pure things, vegetables, grains, airs. There are no any pollution, but there are no any noise. I think
Your voice
point of
is
my view,
stucking right now.
network issue while talking, brother.
Yeah,
I think
you are
yeah,
facing some network issue, poor connection.
poor
Yeah,
connection.
no problem.
Nowadays,
Yes.
nowadays Airtel network is in village area is not good. But
Yeah, yeah. Sir,
company are increasing the recharge, but facility is not giving good in village area.
yes, yes, correct. Today I recharge. Today I recharge one Airtel number in India
Yeah, yeah.
by Amazon. So I paid 349 rupees Indian rupees for 28 days.
Yeah.
Every day 2 GB and unlimited voice call. So yeah, this is the very so expensive. You would say so expensive. Yeah. So
Yes,
it's the other matter. Okay. We will talk.
okay.
We'll talk
City life
about this
and village
matter
life.
next day.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, brother, according to myself, there are several type of condition, village condition. If you will
Yeah.
live in village and your city is very close, I think your
Yeah.
city is close only 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer from the village area. So your village
Yeah.
is very good.
Yes.
Yeah, modern. Your village is in your village everything will be available because you are very close to city area. Yeah,
City.
you have you have education, good college, good institute. You will get some good market. Yeah, and
Yes. Yes.
maintained road. So if you will
Yes.
live the very close of the city, your place very good. But some village in India, I know, I think there is no electricity. There is no
Yeah.
well-maintained road. There is not any uh, transportation facilities. There is no any hospitals, and there is no any kind of shop, market, malls. So I think this kind of village underprivileged, and I think
Yes. Yes,
I would
brother.
say
Yes. Yes.
I would say it's very big issue in that village. So government
Uh,
should be do something about that village. Yeah,
yeah, brother. I am agree with your point. Lots of the things are l- reduced in village. I think lots of
yeah,
things, health sector, education sector, and road and lots of the things, electricity and other things. There are the lots of things are the remaining to develop in village right now. I am agree your point,
yeah,
but city is better than village because city are level everything. Health care, medicals, educations, college, university, everything is a level in city. If the villagers are any kinds of uh, mm, goods, on that time he go to city. Everything is not a level in village, but I live village. That's why I prefer to
Yes,
village is good.
yes, correct, correct. Village also very good. If you will live in village, if you are living in village, you will get fresh air for breathing, and your health is good if you are living in village. And the villagers also very laborious person, and everything
Yeah.
is very cheap compared than city. And all I think majority of the people from villages they have unity, and they speak very humble person. They very humble person. They speak very with we have
But
very good manner. Yeah,
yes,
yeah. So and
everyone help
I
each
think
other. Everyone help
villagers
each other in village.
very good. Yeah, everyone help
Villager
each other. Yeah,
each other.
yes,
But this type of
yes, yes.
facility is not available in city.
Yeah, and lack of the work, lack of the business. I in village only agriculture.
Yes.
The if you are talking about the source of income, so only agriculture. And if you don't have land, so what will we do? It was the compulsion. It is the compulsion to go out
To go to
in
city.
go to city to earn money. It is the
Yes.
compulsion. Yeah.
Yes.
So I think some point is good for the villagers if you are living in village.
Yes.
And I think nowadays we need money. Without money, we cannot stay alive in the world.
Yes.
So in order to earn money, we have to go outside of your village. And most of the people from villagers I know very well, they live in Mumbai, Kolkata,
Yeah.
Delhi. Why? They go to the city area.
Yeah.
If
Lack of the
they have
work,
to
brother.
earn
Lack of
money,
the work.
they come to
Lack of
work,
the
they
work.
have big
Lack
problem.
of the work. In village there are no work. Every person are
Yes,
available to work. That's why the villager are go to city to earn money.
yeah, yeah, yes, brother, yes. So nowadays we need money. Without money, we cannot do anything. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay. Right.
yeah. Okay.
Without
Thank you, brother.
money, without
Thank you,
money,
brother.
anyone
Okay.
cannot ask you how are you. If you have money, everyone ask
Yeah,
you how are you, brother. How can I help you? But you have
yeah,
no money, no anyone ask you how can know in your situation in your house. Money is
even
everything
your
in the yeah
even your relationship also relative also will not ask you how are you. Yeah, they will not respect you. If you have money, everyone will respect you. Yeah,
you have
yeah,
money, you have lots of friend. You have no money, you have no any friend.
yes, yes. That is why most of the people want to earn money and they go to the village, city in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Hyderabad. Many more city available in India. And
Yes.
I think you consider me. I am living in Kuwait
Yes.
in order to earn money. Yeah, this is also this is a compulsion. I
Yes.
am
Yes.
living in Kuwait. I am very far from my family. I
Yes.
missed a lot. I missed a lot to my family. I don't like this environment. I am not living in my country, India.
Yes.
I miss a lot to my country. But this is a compulsion. I need money. So in India is a big country. India is a big country, and government cannot provide job each one very easily.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I am talking about government job, and I am talking about private sectors. So both cannot provide service each one because this is the India is a very big country.